the surface?
More shuttles ready to launch. Move your asses to the evac zone. Get to orbit now.
Sloan's giving evac orders. He knows. Somehow...
Knows what? Look! The Guardian!
Oh no. Where the hell is it going? Chief's on board that thing.
We need to get airborne.
The other colonies Captain Lasky told us about. This is what happened to them. Look, this colony's gonna be a crater soon. We can't take anything that drives from these people.
Our Pelican is on the space elevator. We could use that.
The other colonies, there are more Guardians.
Really only concerned about the one in front of us right now, Vale.
But why this one? Why is the Chief on this Guardian? I think it's the first one Cortana activated on purpose.
This is Governor Sloan, broadcasting on all frequencies. People, if you are still planetside, make your way to the space elevator right now. Final shuttles are departing soon, with or without you.
Governor Sloan, Shuttle Bravo 3 prep for takeoff. Watch it, they're on your tail.
Departing on the Warthog.
Check out that vehicle!
We're taking damage! Kill the phaser! Get me in close! Gun them down! Time's a nice ship! Hate to wreck it!
Check out that vehicle!
Got it. I think I hit one. Reporting on the Warthog gun. Guardian's got a hell of a singing voice.
Can we do autopilot retrieval? Bring the Pelican down to us.
Mayday! Mayday! We're taking fire! We're hit!
Not with those ships shooting everything out of the sky.
Get to the space elevator.
Hunt them down!
Governor Sloan, we need access to the space elevator.
Can't do that, Spartans. Got too many people taking refuge inside. They'd be slaughtered.
Understood, Governor. Osiris, clear the area so they can open those doors.
Aliens here!
Up here.
That one's hurt. That one's dead.
Control, I have no idea if this bird's spaceworthy. She's not gonna fly. Need another way to get these people off world. Don't miss this time.
Area secure. Lockdown released.
door's opening.
Spartans, your tenacity outstrips even my own.
When did Cortana tell you about the Guardian?
You're good. She gave me fair warning, true enough. I was allowed to help my people survive. A change is gonna come. For all of us, human and created alike. She's bringing a new dawn. I intend to be part of it.
Elevator doors opening. Remain
I see my time is up. Good luck to you, everyone. Goodbye.
They're between us and the Pelican.
Weapons free.
lockdown in effect.
Tanaka, override the security system.
Love to. Delicate work to do while getting shot at, though.
Let's clear the lady some more space, shall we?
On my mark. Take this, Spartan. Target the soldier. Take that position.
You got it.
Getting hit over
Move up.
Made it.
Area's clear. Tanaka, how do we get the elevator moving?
Find the control panel. Must be here somewhere.
Might be worth a scan.
Hey!
How do those things teleport around?
Got it.
Sloan said a change is coming. We know Cortana contacted him. Is she on the Guardian too?
Master Chief seemed to think so.
So if she's there, then where are they going?
We'll find out once we're at the Pelican.
I understand the Master Chief disobeying orders to find Cortana, but why the rest of Blue Team? They didn't know her.
The members of Blue Team grew up together in the Spartan 2 program. They've registered more operations than any other fire team in the UNSC.
Their family.
Exactly.
Incoming Prometheans!
Approaching level 2 docking station.
Alexandria all over again. We claw our way out here, scratch a life out of the dirt for what? So we can run? Leave it all behind?
There's a difference between running and living to fight another day.
Tanaka's right. Humanity's at our best when we're making something out of nothing. We're tenacious. We'll rebuild as many times as we have to.
Approaching level 3 docking station.
More Prometheans!
This one will drop quick.
Station. Everyone's dead. Governor Sloan isn't here. Please. Is there anyone left here but me?
Sloan just up and abandoned his people?
If Cortana's really behind that Guardian moving, she did more damage here than him.
We'll find the truth about what happened here. And we'll make certain that those who should answer for it do.
Super Run, Palomino.
Watch out! More Prometheans!
What's that about?
Maybe a signal of some kind. Building up to something.
Super Run, Calico.
Transport fleet to group. Heads up. That thing's starting to move. I don't know what's going on, but wait. It just stopped. Oh, hell. Get down!
Take cover!
Warning, massive structural failure. Please proceed to emergency service.
Everyone all right?
Oxygen mask.
What happened? Elevator E-brake stopped a total collapse, but she won't hold out long.
Do you figure the structure is still secure enough to climb?
If it's gonna fall, won't be because Spartans are using it as a jungle gym.
Run a scan. Find an exit. There's the Guardian. Keep moving towards the Pelican.
Pelican's a few more super rungs up from here.
How far is that?
More than you want it to be, not as far as it could be.
Phaeton's targeting our position. Stay mobile.
Not sure the scaffold can take any more shockwaves.
The Pelican's still above us. Keep climbing. Think this thing might fall after all.
To hell with it. I'm calling in our Pelican now. We'll risk autopilot. The Pelican's just outside. Move it, people!
Shockwaves are getting closer together. Almost like a countdown.
What happens when it gets to zero?
I don't want to find out. Get to the Pelican. Everyone, on board, now!